Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today my topic is related to Snipe IT asset management tool, which is an open source management tool. You guys will be familiar if you are watching my playlist regarding Snipe IT. Today I am going to show you how you can import all of your components in one go using your CSV file into your Snipe IT management server. So first of all, we are going to log in our Snipe IT asset management server using the admin username and password. This is the main dashboard which we always going to see. If you are going to add component manually, you can click on this create button and add the information one by one, and you can, whenever you click on this save button, one component will be added. To to import or to add all of your components available in your organization, you simply have to find this import button in the main menu of Snipe IT management tool, asset management tool, and click on this import button. I have previously shown you how you can do this for asset, consumable, and accessories. So first of all, how we can do that? On the Google, we simply have to type import assets or the components in Snipe IT. Okay, this is the first URL we are going to use. If you scroll down or scroll up a bit, you will find the default format for sample components import CSV. I am going to click on this button. A CSV file will be downloaded and we are going to open this file. This is the default format for the component CSV file, which will be supported by Snipe IT asset management tool. So what is the item name? Let's say table is an component. I have purchased it on this date. Purchase cost is $100. Location office company where company, let's say all the examples, order number ORD2390, serial number is, let's say, SR09876, category hardware, and quantity 1, and save this file. Now I am going to attach this file to the server, our Snipe IT asset management tool. The latest file, this has been attached to our server. I am going to click on this icon and the drop down menu will be available. Now what we are going to import using this CSV file, we are going to import components. If you have already some components in your server, then you can click on this option that some values will be changed in the CSV, and we are going to add those values just only, and click on this import button. It will take a bit time and the component will be imported in our Snipe IT asset management tool. This is how you can add or import all of the components available in your organization using this format. You have to copy all that data in the sample format and change it accordingly, and then attach this file and Simply you have to click on import button, the all the components will be imported in your Snipe IT server in a single click. Hope you guys understood this scenario. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.